Welcome to the VolatilX demo. On the homepage, we have a chatbot where you can ask any question about VolatilX and how it performs to better understand our platform without even signing in. You can also ask follow-up questions and receive responses from the chatbot. After getting your questions answered by the chatbot, you can proceed to starting your free trial by signing in with Google. After signing in, you can either select stocks or crypto and then put in the symbol for which stock you want to get insights on. Here you have three choices: the multi-agent strategy for daily insights on trading, earnings strategy for quarterly information on trading, and expert diagnostics if you are highly technical and prefer technical information. Then you can hit Analyze and Sync. The agents quickly work to collect the data. First, we have buy, sell, and hold signals for our chosen stock, as well as a breakdown of different time frames and decisions. The price action page includes more detailed information for those knowledgeable with price action. And lastly, the intelligence page is where the multi-agents work together to put together a plan for the stock that you are analyzing, which is why it takes a little bit longer than the other sections. On the intelligence page, we have a multi-agent trading strategy. We have the buy, sell, and no trade zones with entry, stop, and target price points. We now have a feature where you can select between day trading, swing trading, and long-term trading and run the AI agents based on your needs. Next, we head to the report center where we can access all of the previous reports that we have made within the AI Insights page and reference them as we need. On this page, we once again have the buy, sell, and no trade zones for day, swing, and long-term trading, and we can also favorite whichever one we want to keep track of in the Action Center. We can also access reports from previous dates with the calendar here. Along with the reports you have requested yourself, you can also view the reports that other users globally have requested previously on this page. We can also curate the information to our needs by switching between multi-agent price analysis and earnings agent analysis. Here you can see the earnings agent analysis for quarterly findings. Lastly, we have the Action Center where we can access information about the tracked symbols that we previously favorited. For the favorited stocks and crypto, we can access information such as the price gauge that shows us the entry points for each zone and the target prices that the agents expect it to reach within that zone. There's also a scenario playbook with trade paths to pre-plan and a profit loss preview for those looking for more information. There's also an alert checklist where you can create alerts to email you when the stock reaches certain price points. Once again, you can switch between day trading, swing trading, and long-term trading based on the information that you are looking for, and the price gauge and scenario playbook will be altered accordingly. You can also switch your intent from buy, sell, or trade both to get explanations based on your intentions. Keep in mind, none of this is financial advice, and this is all just data and information to help you make more informed decisions. Finally, we have our context-aware assistant, the super agent. You can pick from one of the autofill prompts to guide your questions, or you can ask your own questions from scratch. The super agent is able to explain momentum, levels, news, institutional positions, and all VolatilX tools relative to your plan. The super agent is for providing you with more clarity based on your needs and specific questions. You can continue to chat with the super agent and ask follow-up questions until your understanding is crystal clear. We offer different plans with varying levels of access and varying price points based on your needs, as well as a starter trial to get started. You can switch between plans at any time. And lastly, we have a contact page where you can leave your name, email, and any questions that you have for us. Once again, VolatilX is not a financial advice tool.